Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming device basics, MUI version, available storage, and a full backup. This prevents data loss when altering system apps. Once done, enable unknown sources so APK sideloading works. This is required for installing Google components. Make sure to charge the phone above 50% to avoid interruptions, and disable any third-party cleaning or battery apps that could kill installers. You're now ready to download the core packages in the next step. You'll install the core Google Mobile Services APKs in sequence so dependencies register correctly. First, sideload Google Services Framework because Play Services checks it, then install Google Play Services itself, followed by the Play Store. During each install, grant requested permissions, denying them breaks startup. Once the trio is installed, clear cache and data for Google Play Services and reboot the device. This forces the services to reinitialize. If an installer fails, repeat with the previous version of the APK. You finish by opening the Play Store and signing into your Google account. This registers your device with Google Services. If apps crash, update Play Services and Play Store manually by sideloading newer APKs because OTA updates may be blocked. Make sure background data is enabled so sync works. If things still fail, clear cache and storage for Play Store and Play Services, then reinstall the offending APK. A key troubleshooting tip: if sign-in errors persist, remove the Google.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.